It's me, Errol, back again with another video. Today we're doing a flight of stairs, but before we get started, let's cut the carpet. So without further ado, let's crack on with that, and then we'll fit the stairs. So what I'm doing here is lining up the first step. I use a touch of a spray adhesive on there, and then I start banging it in with my bolster. That's the stair tool that I'm using. Now that we've done that, we're ready to fit our first step. What I'll do on this first one, I will do it in slow motion for you so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. And the action is, we go down and then we go in. And that makes sure it hooks onto the gripper. Now that we've done that first step, it's just basically a rinse and repeat until we get to the last step at the bottom. As I said before, I do like to use a touch of adhesive on existing grippers. As I said before, I do like to use a touch of adhesive on existing grippers.
Just 1 second, girl, listen. I ain't tryna run no game. Whoa. You should take my number. Oh, really wanna give you my name. Whoa. We can meet up somewhere, baby. I don't care. You should know. I don't want just anybody. Let me treat you like somebody. Got the top on the Rari. This forever, we ain't stopping. You the life of the party. No dog. Apply that pressure, don't need no straw.
And as I said before, on existing gripper I do like to use a touch of adhesive.
Just anybody. Let me treat you like somebody. Got the top on the Rari. This forever, we ain't stopping. You the life of the party.
There you go, we have just finished the first run of stairs, and now we're about to start the second run. So it's the same procedure as what we did at the top. Line it up, touch of spray adhesive, and we continue fitting. And what I'm doing here is making sure that the step is straight. You can see me lifting the carpet up and putting it down to make sure that it goes onto the step straight.
She walk by, that's him right there. A Levi, but a peanut so unfair, I don't care. You should take my number. Oh, I really wanna give you my name. We can meet up somewhere, baby. I don't care. You should know. I don't want just anybody. Let me treat you like somebody. Got the top on the Rari. This forever, we ain't stopping. You the life of the party. No dog. Apply that pressure, don't need no straw. Shawty, you special, I need your love. Need your love, need your love right now. I treat you good, babe. No time for Mickey D, don't need no hood day. I ain't tryna rush it all, I know I should wait. I ain't perfect, but I love when you the good way. Can't go back, I know that. You got dirt, don't hold back. Diamond in the rough, hope you know that. Might not agree, but you show that. I done made my decision. Just 1 second, girl, listen. I ain't tryna run no game. Whoa. You should take my number. Oh, I really wanna give you my name. Whoa. We can meet us somewhere, baby. I don't care. You should know. I don't want just anybody. Let me treat you like somebody. Got the top on a Rari. This forever, we ain't stopping. You the life of the party. No doubt. Apply that pressure, don't need no scrub. Shawty special, I need your love. Need your love, need your love. Let me treat you like somebody. Got the top on a Rari. This forever, we ain't stopping. No doubt. Apply that pressure, don't need no scrub.
And there you go, we're just about done with this one. If you like these types of videos, why not check out my playlist? Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.